Welcome, I'm Rose Oatley, and today we're making a super delicious strawberry shortcake. So easy. Start by rinsing a whole package of strawberries, and then we want to cut these into smaller pieces, and I'm going to place all of these in a bowl. Quick note, I am now on TikTok under Rose Oatley, so if you want to see me on a more personal level, be sure and follow. Now that all my strawberries have been cut, I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, which will cause osmosis. This basically means it's going to release all of the water from the fruit. I'm going to cover this up, place this in the refrigerator while we work on our other ingredients, and let it sit so it can release its juices. We're going to need biscuits. You could either make your own homemade biscuits, or you can go the quick way like I am today and use Bisquick. To do this, just add 2¼ cups of Bisquick, a 2/3 cup of milk. You want to mix until it turns into a dough. Spray your sheet pan and then add spoonfuls of dough to your pan. At 450 degrees, bake for 9 to 10 minutes. Later, we'll be making homemade whipped cream, so just a quick tip. Place your metal bowl in the freezer to get cold, which will help your whipping process later. My biscuits are ready and I'm letting them cool off, so we'll work on our filling. Now we're going to start by mashing our strawberries. Now one of the reasons why it's nice to let our strawberries sit in the fridge is because when it releases the juices, it makes it so much easier to mash. Now you want to leave them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. I didn't quite leave them in there for 30 minutes, but that's okay. So we want to go ahead and mash to where it almost looks really runny, like a syrup, and all of the juices come out. You don't want to mash the strawberries completely. You do want a few chunks like this. I have a few strawberries I want to slice. These I'm just going to use for decoration. For our homemade whipped cream, we're going to start by adding 1 cup of heavy whipping cream into our mixing bowl, 1/4 cup of regular sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. We're going to start mixing on low and then gradually increase our speed. It's important to be patient and also keep an eye on it because you can easily ruin your whipped cream. Yes, there is a way to ruin it. If you have whipped cream that looks more like cottage cheese, that is completely ruined. You want to have some nice soft peaks just like this. Yay! Now we're ready to assemble our strawberry shortcake. I like to cut my biscuit in half, put my bottom layer on the plate. Then usually I like to add a layer of whipped cream first, but today I'm going to add my strawberries on here first. And honestly, there's no wrong way of assembling your strawberry shortcake. Whatever you like, play around with it. I went ahead and put my whipped cream in a bag, but you honestly don't have to. I'm just doing this for fun. So I'm going to go ahead and add a layer of whipped cream. Now I'm going to add the top of my biscuit, followed by some more strawberries. Another layer of whipped cream. And a slice of strawberry on top. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to taste this. Come to me, baby. Get in my belly. I really love my homemade strawberry shortcakes. This is so good, guys. You really have to try it. I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and share the link with your friends. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.